everybody, today's day 3 of the meet and greet tour of the YouTubers. We're actually going to pick up BSS Small Engine Repair, Brandon, and we're going to go to breakfast. Then we're going to end up at Bocce's. So we'll bring you back once we get there. And keep watching. We got more people that we're going to see also. Alright everybody, we are in Austin, Texas. Figured I'd show you some of this way we're going through. A lot of buildings. Big city. And look, we got Brandon in the back seat. Let's see if I can get Polar Bear Ed. And we got Polar Bear Ed. And we got Twisted. Eating a sandwich. So we're on our way down to Bocce's for a cookout. We'll bring you back in a while. Oh, yes, look at that.
No, that's one of the new ones, isn't it?
No. Because right after he sent it.
Yeah, that's a...
You got to come back out sometime.
See, originally his logo
There's
had
Brandon.
The letters was not curved, and I helped him curve them.
I can always get one coffee and
Polar Bear Ed.
in here.
There's Twisted V Twin Garage. And I'm waiting for Bocce, but she keeps running away.
Alright y'all, as you can see, we're not in the back seat. We finally made it to Bocce's house, and we're sitting out here on the patio, hanging out, having a great time. We did get the barbecue grill all put together there, ready to go, you know, and Miss Bocce's coming back out the house here to say hi. Yeah, see, she covered her face up. She's embarrassed. So, but yeah, we'll when everybody else gets here, we'll do a little more video. And
I got her. I got her. And there's Bocce. We're all gonna have a good time.
And you got Brandon over there eating apples that we got over here.
maybe we'll do a Who's Cooking for the Bear segment this week.
Yeah, and who's cooking? The bear's cooking.
No, who's cooking for the bear?
Oh,
The
nobody.
bear can cook.
Uh-oh.
Since
vacation.
I gotta get my own freaking coffee.
Vacation. No. Who's cooking for the bear?
Mock is.
Mock's on vacation.
I'm sleeping.
I'm permanently on vacation.
Oh, well then, you can cook.
Brandon.
Brandon, you're the only one left. I guess you get to cook.
Well, hey, you think
we'll bring you back later.
Get the twins.
You think we ought to wait?
I didn't think I'd get to meet
Okay, everybody, this is Crystal Lynn. This is Mater.
And of course, we know Brandon over
and we know Brandon. We already got Brandon once.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah,
he runs fast. He got that door open on that car as we were going down the road at like 55. Man, he's slick.
He's a runaway YouTuber now.
So now we got all the YouTubers together. We're gonna enjoy a cookout, and Bocce's hiding in the house. So
like normal.
Yeah.
we'll come back and show you what kind of a feast we're gonna have today.
On Bocce, I'd do something else.
I'd like to give her the password.
Okay.
The password?
Who is
I
it?
don't trust him. Take that thing away from him.
Yeah, everybody's got to know our Wi-Fi password. All of our neighbors and everybody that watch your channel.
Yeah.
They'll get her
Which
Wi-Fi.
one? Who are you on here?
Alright, everybody. We got the grill fired up. Getting ready to put some chicken on. I already got some jalapeno poppers here all done up. Pretty good. Got a little bit of, well, not so much bite to them. Good flavor. Bacon wrap. Pretty good. But we got a good fire going, getting the grill hot. We'll bring you back and show you what we cooked on there. See you in a bit. Ed's over here, manning the grill. Uh-oh. Looking pretty good. And then we got a lady named Bocce over here in the background wanting to make comments. So we can actually put her on camera and let her
No, thank you.
see. She's big chicken on the grill. There it is.
Yep. That's bocce on the grill.
Do you see the size of that chicken?
And we got Mater over there.
Doing it.
And we got B&S Small Engine. Real famous guy in Texas.
Oh, famous. The most famous YouTuber.
And we got Sandy down at the other end. And we have the back of somebody over here.
I don't know
I think that's a hibachi bubbles. So, there you go. We'll bring you back in a little bit as the chicken gets going a little bit better. That's it.
Okay, the chicken's done on the grill. And we're getting it off there. Look at this chicken.
Look at that. Mark's
Look
ripping
at
chicken
that.
off grill and just laying it to bocce. That's awesome.
Give me it.
This is not PG.
Yeah, give me it.
She wants his meat, don't she?
Sandy, this is creepy with you watching.
Hey, like I said, to his company,
That's it. That's all I got to give. We're done. You're done.
That's it?
That's it. It's
I don't
over.
It's not even worth a cigarette.
No.
All right,
I
and
hope it
now
was as good for you as it was for me. Okay, there we go.
we got the bear. He's gonna finish this out with some asparagus on the grill.
That way you can see how
There
much
we go.
you got.
Oh, no, that's fine. I know how quick a glimpse it was.
I mean, you were,
Yeah,
Oh, Lordy.
yeah,
because I was like, you just came in, it's like, yeah.
yeah. Put the hats on the couch, please.
Does the girls want any of this chicken?
Theirs already done.
Yeah, it's already twisted.
Look at that.
Put that in the garbage.
We are gonna have a good cookout.
I don't think they can get on it.
Unless
I have it listed.
All the YouTubers are here.
I don't think they can get in
Unless you put it like.
We're having a nice
on yours.
meet and greet.
Okay, yeah, they can get in.
We've had a blast. Don't really want to leave, but we got other ones
You know that it has
that we want to meet.
internet just to get it account.
And we only have
My daughter had a
7 more days.
My daughter's had a Facebook account since
So,
she was 8. And I tried to keep
this is really going to look good.
Oh no, chicken looks pretty good.
And then we have corn, we have coleslaw, and we have over here on the end, you can see it, we have pasta salad. So, we're all going to eat good tonight. And then tomorrow, we leave for Louisiana. There's everybody sitting there. Brandon, Crystal Lynn, Twisted V Twin Garage. We got Mater,
Now watch, I got Tim.
and we got the bear. And now we're cooking with the bear.
I never heard of it.
Better the asshole you know than the one you don't.
So we'll bring you back later.
That would be more than
Oh, you
happy to
turned
take him home.
Oh, there's 2 of them over
Are you
$2
kidding?
or
there. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's 2
Oh,
of them
yeah?
over there.
they'll be back over here.
Yep, there's 2 of them down there.
Oh, we gotta go see this.
You gonna feed them?
She's gonna try.
Yep. Yeah, there's some decent ones around here. Especially with all of us sitting out here on the patio like this. Want to come up?
And look at this.
Well, that's pretty good size too.
Oh yeah. They're running them off now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 3.
Oh, we
Oh, there's 3.
3 of them?
There's 3 of them, yeah.
I bet you the ones that we found on the way in, they migrated down here.
Could be.
There's probably a good 200.
Wow.
You're right. Sandy, maybe you're right, son.
Wrong right.
Your other right, Santa Fe.
What?
You're right.
The other
That's
breaks a
left.
lot.
I know, I'm trying to get them.
Now you're back where you started.
Oh my God. We're trying to teach them left from right. We're not doing so well.
Look at the teacher.
Well, you're not a good teacher then, are you?
Exactly.
No, I'm not.
That's exactly what I said.
See, I can't get the mirror.
No.
I didn't get in on that one. Cause
Are you
every day
getting in?
Michael and Vader can't turn left from right, and then somebody goes around backwards.
It's too close.
There's over here looking at us.
I got 2 pictures right there on my phone.
There he is.
I'm not gonna.
There's 3 of them in there.
I don't need to see him that bad.
I guess I ain't that hungry.
Nope, here
Oh,
they come.
here they
Uh-huh.
come. No.
We'll just wait for the videos to come out and see them.
We'll just hang back and watch.
Yeah.
Videos that come out.
Well, it's stagnant. It's just, I mean, she's going up to the bus. She's like,
Maybe they're out looking for Santa.
Yeah.
don't look at her.
Thinking that Ed looks kind of like Santa, but without the red suit.
Yeah, they're coming out here.
The one just keeps staring at us.
Oh,
My arm's giving out.
So have you even mowed yet with that mower yet? I didn't know if you had the deck on it yet and everything, or.
I would have.
No, I gotta put the hitch bar on.
How do you want to bet that's the ones that.
They're going towards Ed and Mark.
There he is. Look at this buck.
Andy, stay put just 1 second.
Yeah, you're pretty.
That's a bigger one there.
You're pretty.
There's a big old buck over here.
Yeah.
No, Mark. Got one there, got one back over here.
You're eating apples.
I found one apple.
This is in Bocce's side yard.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know, that one over there, maybe the same buck from earlier.
I don't know what I did with it.
Well, they can suffer till we get home, and then I'll pick it up when I get there.
I know I have one.
Bocce. Right there.
Yeah, they're not really exciting to me because they're dickheads.
You see him all the time.
Yep.
Dustin's like, what? Uh-oh.
Mark, my sister. Oh, Sky must have gone out front with it.
Food. And it's like, to me, it's not a big deal seeing them because I grew up seeing the statues and everything. Are we taking the metal ones in or the wood ones?
They're just assholes. Yeah, they should all.
You're so pretty.
You stop at a stop sign. They
Yeah,
run
you
into
are, baby.
It's like.
You're pretty. Just give me the good picture.
Mm-hmm. That's all they're literally thinking with their text, and that's it.
I think that one's posing for the camera.
Oh, yeah.
They do look at you like, fuck you.
Like, I'm here. Bye. Hey, you want my cup to make some coffee to go? That way you can say, wait.
There is coffee made.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, they're leaving.
Bocce drinks coffee. Do you want some?
Yeah, I would.
That's a nice little site.
We got a bunch of them.
See the bug. That's a little bug.
Just walking down, tell them quiet.
Mm-hmm.